the big question is, how do you replace the starter motor for this very car? It's a pain in the butt, guys. A serious pain in the butt. Now let me show you guys what you need to go through before you lose it out. So the first thing first, if you have a post stand, then that's a good one. But if you don't have a post stand, well, you're gonna be lifting one of the tire up, or probably two front tires up. Set the brake on, find some things to wedge the tire from moving back and forth. Then when you lift the tires, then you want to find some supporter before you go underneath. Now that is where we're about to go right now. It's like on a suicide mission. Now this is where the special tips comes in. For you to remove it, nobody told you that fixing Mercedes-Benz is gonna be an easy job. No, there is a motor mount somewhere around here. You're gonna loosen that motor mount right on the right side of the car. You're gonna loosen out this motor mount here. Lose it out, right? Just lose out the bolts, the nut that's on top. Sorry. Want to lose it out. Now we got a problem. You can't lose that out from on top here. You're gonna find it from the downside. Now let's go to the downside. I'm gonna on the light because everywhere is gonna be dark down there. So you're gonna be needing pretty much 13 or the E14 or E12 to lose out these two bolts. Now that's why I said at the context of this very video here that it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Oh my goodness, here is so freaking tight. Okay, I want to show you two of them that I'm losing, but it's not even losing it that's the problem. Look at it. So gotta lose this, so there is no space in there. No matter the fancy tool that you have, it's still gonna be very, very tight. Super tight. So okay, I want to show you guys where you lose that from. It's only being secured by two bolts. You can see that there is a, oh my goodness, this is way too stressful, guys. Seriously, I'm setting those guys who any shop guy who are gonna be replacing it for you is gonna be charging you huge because tight. Okay, so you can see the hole right now, one on the down part, right, one up here and one down here. So that is what is holding the starter motor in place. You can see it. So one over here and one on top over there. So when you lose it out, well, you have not just you have just started the war, and there is a lot more to go, and it's not often very simple. Now the next thing you want to do is you're gonna find a way to lose out the motor mount else. Right now, remember that word, you need to have faith. This is where having faith gonna come to play, because you might not be able to see it, but you're gonna feel it, right? I'm trying to see. Okay, that's it there. I'm wiggling it there, but it's really hard to even capture it because I can't even hold my hand straight. But right now it's inside here where my hand is, in between the exhaust, the exhausts and what have you. That's what I'm touching right now. You can see it right now. So that's it right there. So it will not come out until you lose out one of the motor mount, then jack the engine up, and trust me, you're gonna be losing the bottom pan. If they secured it with any bolts, you're also gonna lose it down. So it's a serious piece of, damn, where is this transmission fluid leaking from? I need to find out. The whole place here is running with oil, so where is it leaking from? So guys, that's how creepy it is to lose out the Kickstarter, the starter motor. So right now, as I've loosed the bolt, it's still stuck in there. It's stuck in there. So, and what is actually holding it, that preventing it from getting out? If you look, if you follow my hand right here, that's the motor mount which I'm talking about. That's the motor mount right there. So you need to lose out the motor mount and leave the engine up before the starter can come out. So guys, that's the much I can be able to share right now. Catch you guys later. Woo. Damn.